Hi there, this is just a short video because I've got a really exciting announcement to make. I've set up my first photography workshop in collaboration with the RSPB, and it's going to take place at RSPB Marshside at Southport. Now, you might have seen my video that I filmed a few weeks ago where I interviewed Joe Taylor, who works for the RSPB at the Ribble Estuary, and also we had a tour of Marshside and got to see some of the behind the scenes places that people can't normally access. So if you haven't seen that, go and check that out now. I'll put a link just up here. What I'll also do is put a link down below in the description to other videos that I've filmed at RSPB Marshside, so go and check those out as well. The workshop is aimed at beginners, and so what I'll do is I'll start off by giving you some advice on how to use your cameras, but then there'll be some RSPB staff on hand to give you some bird identification and also answer questions about the reserve, and so it should be a really good afternoon. It's going to take place on the 25th of November from 12:30 to 3:30, and it should be a really exciting afternoon. Now, places are limited for this event, so if you're interested in booking a place, you need to go to the RSPB Ribble Estuary Facebook page where you can book tickets. They're going to be £60, which is a really good price, but if you're an RSPB member, then you get a reduced price of £50, so don't miss out on this event. I'm really excited about doing my first workshop and really look forward to meeting people there. So if you're interested, go and check out the Ribble Estuary Facebook page, and there you can see more information. All that's left now though is to say stay safe, and I'll see you soon.